Good morning, first standard. This is our last video of chapter number 3, my sense organ. This is our exercise which I forgot to explain you. So today I will explain this exercise that you have to write in your notebooks. So as you can see on the board that this is the grid. From this you have to find our sense organs. Do you know that how many sense organs we have? As I explained, we have our 5 sense organs. Which are they? They are nose, tongue, skin, ears and eyes. So we have to find these 5 sense organs from this grid. So are you ready to find it out? Okay, so shall we start? Okay, so first we have to find out which is our first sense organ, that is eye. So what is the spelling of eyes? E-Y-E-S. So where is E? In this column we have, but in this column we don't have. So here also we have E, but in the next column we don't have Y. In the third column also we don't have Y. Here in this column we have, yes we have, but what is the spelling of eyes? E-Y-E-S. So this is our first sense organ, that is eyes. Okay. Now second one is ears. Is it? Second one is ears. So where is ears? In this column we have ears. E-A-R-S. What is the spelling of ears? E-A-R-S. So we have to circle this spelling this way and write ears. Okay. Now what is the third sense organ? Can you tell me? Which is our sense organ? So our third sense organ, which is that? That is nose. No, nose is last one, right? Okay, then also we can do nose. What is the spelling of nose? N-O-S-E. And what is the function of nose? To smell and breathe air in our body. So we have to find out ears and nose. So where is nose? N-O-S-E. This is our third sense organ. Right. Now fourth one. Which is our fourth sense organ? Can you tell me? Which sense organ help us to taste? That is our tongue. So we have to find out tongue. What is the spelling of tongue? T-O-N-G-U-E. So tongue spelling we have to find out. T here. O-N-G-U-E. Here is the tongue spelling. So we have to circle this. Right. Now this sense organ help us to feel गरम है या ठंडा है, किससे हमें पता चलता है? हमारी बॉडी पर गिरने से. दैट इज आवर लार्जेस्ट सेंस ऑर्गन एंड दैट इज आवर स्किन. सो वेयर इज द स्किन? S-K-I-N. स्किन. सो यू हैव टू राइट दिस वे in your notebook and as well as in textbook also. Right. Now we have to match this. Here some senses and here some sense organs. I explain to sight or to see. Which sense organ help us to see? So that is our eyes. Right. फिर हम किससे सुनते हैं? Ear. With ears. So E-A-R-S. Ears. Now smell. Smell किससे करते हैं? So nose. Right. Then taste. Taste किससे करते हैं? What is this? Tongue. So we have to match with tongue. What is the spelling of tongue? फील. फील किससे करते हैं, गर्म है या ठंडा है, दैट इज अवर लार्जेस्ट सेंस ऑर्गन, स्किन. So you have to write this way in your notebook as well as in your textbook. Now here are some sentences are given to you. You have to write here the sense organs. An apple is red. Apple red है, हमको कैसे पता चलता है, देख के. So which sense organ help us to see, that is our eyes. So what is spelling of eye? E-Y-E-S. That is our eyes. आँखों से देख के पता चलता है कि एप्पल रेड है. सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर रेड, R-E, eyes. You have to write here eyes. Now second one, someone is singing in the next room. बाजू के रूम में कोई गा रहा है, हमको कैसे पता चलता है, बाय हियरिंग, तो सुनने से. हम सुनते किससे हैं, विथ अवर ईयर्स. तो व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ अवर ईयर्स, E-A-R-S, ears, right? Now third one, the coffee smells nice. Smell किससे करते हैं, here word is given, smells. So किससे smell करते हैं, what is this, this is our nose. So what is the spelling of nose, so we smell with our nose, N-O-S-E, nose, right? And ice cube is cold. This is a feeling. Cube, ice cube cold है, ठंडा है, गर्म है, हम किससे फील करते हैं, through our skin. So you have to write here skin. This is the feeling. और feel हम किससे करते हैं, हमारी skin से, which is our largest sense organ of our body. और mango is tasty. Tasty, taste किससे करते हैं, tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E. That you have to write in your notebook as well as in your textbook. Right? Now question answers. So what is the function of the nose? Nose का function क्या? What is the function of nose? To smell things and breathe air. क्या करना, हवा जो है वो ब्रीथिंग इनहेल करना एंड जो थिंग्स है उसको स्मेल करना. दैट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ अवर नोज. नाउ सेकेंड वन, व्हाट हेल्प्स अस टू रीड बुक्स. आप किससे रीड करते हो, विथ योर आईज. सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर E-Y-E-S. You have to write the answer E-Y-E-S, eyes. Eyes help us to read books. Now third one question, how many sense organs do we have? मैंने as I said in our last before videos that we have 5 sense organs. Now also I repeat here, these are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So we have 5 sense organs. How many sense organs we have? 5. And how many senses we have? 5. Which are our senses? To see, to smell, to taste, to smell things and feel. These are our senses and we have 5 sense organs. These are eyes, and the eyes sense is to see. Second one organ is ears, then sense of ear is to hear the sound. Third one organ is nose. So what is the sense of our nose? To smell things and breathe air inside. Now fourth one, what is the sense organ? That is tongue. And what is the sense? To taste the things, right? Now skin, our last and fifth one sense organ, and sense is to feel, right? So here I explain all the exercise which you have to write in your notebook, which I send you with this video in the form of PDF. So from PDF you have to write with good handwriting, without making any spelling mistakes, and show your parents. And if you have confusion, please take help of your parents, so they will help you. This way you have to write in your notebook the question answers and spellings you have to write in your notebook. Rest of things you have to write in your textbook only, right? So parents, please help your child to write this in their textbook and not as well as notebook, and with good handwriting. And please check that your child will never do spelling mistakes, so that they can read and learn easily without making any mistakes. Be safe and stay at your home. Thank you.